The article highlights how Jordan Brand continues to push its off-court legacy through lifestyle silhouettes, drawing attention to both past and present models. With the Trunner LX and Trunner OS resurfacing, the piece emphasizes how far the Air Jordan line has evolved since the 2000s. Among the more unexpected designs, the Air Jordan Mule stands out as a modern creation that would have shocked sneaker culture decades ago but now fits seamlessly into today's fashion scene. Its distinct chunky platform sets it apart from slimmer alternatives in the market, offering a bold and unique look. The newest iteration, dubbed the Air Jordan Mule Soft Pearl, introduces the first-ever suede construction for the model, showcasing innovation while maintaining a familiar monochromatic design. Released as part of the brand's fall or winter collection, the pair is priced at $145 and offered exclusively in women's sizing.